With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is for real gas, Z shows. Now, Z is the compressibility factor. Okay, Z is the compressibility factor. So, what happens is that if we talk about ideal gases, then for ideal gases, compressibility factor is equal to 1, right? For ideal gases, compressibility factor is equal to 1. Right. What happens is that it obeys the ideal gas equation, right? PV is equal to nRT. This is the condition that is followed in ideal gas cases, and that is why Z is equal to 1. But if we talk about real gases, then in the case of real gases, there can be two cases, right? The first case can be when Z is greater than 1. Okay. So what happens when Z is greater than 1? It shows a positive deviation, right? It shows a positive deviation from the ideal gases, because for ideal case we have the value of Z is equal to 1, right? Z is equal to 1 is your standard, which is for ideal gases. When Z is exceeding the value of 1, right, it means that it is showing positive deviation. So this means that PV will be greater than nRT, right? PV will be greater than nRT when Z is greater than 1. So this means that the gas will be less compressible. Okay, the gas will be less compressible when it shows positive deviation, as a result of which PV becomes greater than nRT, which results in the less compressible nature of the gases. Okay. Now, if we talk about the second case, in the second case, Z can be less than 1. When Z is less than 1, the value of Z becomes negative and it shows negative deviation, right? It shows negative deviation from the ideal gases. So in this case, we will have PV less than nRT, right? We will have PV less than nRT. In this case, gas will be more compressible, right? In this case, the gas will be more compressible. Okay, so these are the conditions for the compressibility factor. So if you look at the first option, it says that Z is less than 1, gas is less compressible. No, when Z is less than 1, gas will be more compressible because it is showing negative deviation. PV is less than nRT, and therefore the gas is going to be more compressible. When Z is greater than 1, the gas is more compressible. No, the gas is less compressible, right? The gas is less compressible when Z is greater than 1. Z is equal to infinity for an ideal gas. No, not at all. We just discussed it initially only that for ideal gases, Z is equal to 1. And the next option is that PV is not equal to nRT for real gases. Now, this is going to be correct, right? Because we discussed the case of real gases, either Z is greater than 1, which means that PV is greater than nRT, or the next case is when Z is less than 1, which is PV less than nRT. PV is equal to nRT only in the cases. It is only in the case of ideal gases, not for real gases. Therefore, the correct answer is option 4. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.